Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor 400 Power. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And then select this application and click install. And now you can click open and then click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.